Have you ever wanted to make a game before? Well, that's what I'm trying to do. Hey, my name is TK. Welcome to my devlog, episode 1, getting it started. Wait. So, a little bit about me. I'm a recent graduate at the University of Texas at Austin that studied the arts of entertainment technologies with the focus of 3D art and lighting design. I learned so much at this college, and I wanted to take the skills and knowledge I've gained to go make a dream of mine, a successful indie game studio. I plan to make this studio by giving myself a challenge. I'm giving myself 2 months, which is the end of summer for me, to go indie and to build something I am passionate about and make a living off of. I know 2 months kind of sounds like a short amount of time, but I like having a time constraint to actively push myself to make the game. Like, too much time makes me feel too safe. And yeah. I kind of just wanted to see how good I can make this game. Hopefully, I get a published deal at the end. Yeah. I am pretty excited and nervous to chase this dream, but I am hopeful nonetheless that I can make at least something that I'm proud of. Before I explain the game, I have a quick disclaimer. I will be using AI to help with coding and Unity workflow, and that's just because that is not my background. Everything else, like the art, will be on me and made by me. Okay, here's the first game idea. So, I've been really into basketball recently. I'm currently watching the NBA Finals of Spurs versus Knicks right now, and it got me really thinking into making a basketball game. Now, I don't want to make like a generic basketball game like 2K, even though it's a pretty good game. I wanted to have a little twist on it. And so as I was like looking around for ideas, I stumbled upon the tower defense genre. And that kind of got me thinking of defense in sports. It would be like the positioning, coverage, and tactics. And then at that point, it kind of clicked to me, kind of the game I wanted to make. I'll just combine basketball and tower defense. Boom. That's my core game idea right now. The way this game will work is that you will be defending your basketball hoop from waves of enemies by partly playing defense yourself and by placing robots, which is towers, with unique defensive capabilities. Each robot will have different skills, like how one will be able to chase the ball carrier, a wall that won't let enemies through, and maybe like a dedicated guard that blocks shots only, stuff like that. I also didn't want like a regular tower defense game where you place the towers and then you just watch it work. I wanted the player to be actively involved. So the way I envision how the core game loop would work is that the player would first place the pieces, and then the wave will start. And the wave would usually be too much, or they would have some kind of tactic that would overthrow the tower and pieces that you placed. And that is where the player yourself will have to fill in the gaps that your robots couldn't do. So it's basically just kind of like working side by side with towers to defend the waves of enemies. It's like playing regular basketballs, but your teams are actual bots. There is other things I haven't thought about. Like, I currently don't know if I want to add offense yet, if I have the time. or I have to build an entire new set of robots that'll play offense. I also don't have a name for it yet, and there's a lot of holes to fill, but I'll figure it out as the game develops. So yeah, that is my first game idea. I do plan to release more videos like a prototype or thought process and other game related developments. But yeah, I really appreciate y'all for watching. Like and subscribe to join the journey of building this game. Thank you.